Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. So it's been about 2 months since I sat down and made a video and communicate what I've been up to. A long 2 months with all the things going on, COVID, lockdowns, and social distancing. Hope everybody's being safe. Florida is now in early registration. Many of you don't know, my older brother is an ex-Marine, so Patriots, get out there and vote. Exercise your rights. I want to get in and continue where I left off with all of my latest updates and new features. I believe the last video that I did had to do with plugins for the Nimble IDE. I believe I demonstrated my nice little font awesome plugin, the ability to insert these types of glyphs and icons into your UI quickly and easily. It's just an add-in plugin that you can, of course, include on any project. But I've made some really nice advances in both plugins and extending features within the Nimble platform. I have done videos in the past on my widgets, the widget design. This is just a responsive div that you can embed controls in and make complete layouts such as cards so that you can insert them later inside any form or dialogue. But this functionality of being extended, resizable and extended to the form surface control. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you today. This is a single div. Each one of these are single divs with the components wrapped inside. And our surface dialog is actually 2 divs. And it has to be 2 divs because there's the outer div that represents the dialog itself, and then there's the body. The body is another div that's the target. So when I insert controls into it on any dialog or any form, it always inserts into the body target div. That being said, we're going to grab this guy. We're going to justify it with a 10 pixel padding on the outside. Size it a little bit. And then we're going to drop in, using block styles, just a label in the text box. You'll notice the padding is already maintained. We will highlight or grab both of these guys and then justify them with a 5 pixel margin to keep them spaced nicely. We'll change the color. Just gotta wait. And now we have a decent sizing component. Now the cool part, or the thing I want to demonstrate, is a new feature that I added, is the ability to make this div behave like the widget. Whereas if you size anything within the div, it will automatically size the external form or dialog. In this case, the surface. So we simply highlight the surface. We go to the component properties, and I have an auto size feature. It's a 2-step process. You set auto size to true, and then you lock the height. If you don't know before, 4 exclamation points on the lock variable tells the Nimble runtime, do not touch this property, the height property. You're going to allow the normal browser process to take care of it. Let's double check. Make sure I put 4. Yep, 4. Apply save. And now when we click on the label control, if we were to size it, you'll see that the div itself auto sizes with the component. You have totally allowed Nimble to no longer have control over the height property of this dialog. I can continue to size it, but I cannot change the height under any circumstances. This means that I can now wrap this complete div as a digestible object in any view and bind it to a group or a data set from an API reference. Just wanted to show you this quick feature because it's going to piggyback off of all of the new features that I've created over the past 2 months. So let's start with the overview and the diagram. I spent a lot of time in NodeJS thinking about the Nimble digest cycle, my push-pull methods, and I've applied the builder design pattern to create what I call my ultimate API server. It's one Node.js application to serve all of my future applications that I'm ever going to write. That's the beauty of the builder design pattern. What I'm going to do, what I've built, is a Node.js application that will accept API calls from any application that I build in Nimble. And the JSON specification diagram instructs the server how to intercept, manage, and write the data to the database. It contains all the queries, the business logic, and everything that makes the API work is contained within a JSON file format. So any new applications that I need to deploy will only require a new JSON file, and the server will simply respond. That's what we're going to be talking about this season. Over the next few videos, I will be demonstrating the entire application and platform and how it works. So I hope you're ready. The Nimble Solution version 5. I'm back. Thank you for watching.